Hindi siya iya sa iya. Ang babae ito.
Today is the day to say goodbye. Thank you for the wonderful experiences we had. Thank you for the all things I have learned from school. Thank you for I won't be here without you. Deep farewell to this school year and look forward the next year. Remember, every new beginning comes from some other beginning end. Thank you.
Galing.
We now have Romina Ciadena for the preparatory.